Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So if you've watched my channel recently, you've seen a few videos with the Arteza paints. And one of the things about them is that they tend to sell like crazy. So someone actually suggested that I try a swipe with them with no silicone. And I thought that was an excellent idea. So that's what we're going to do today. And I'm not going to swipe with a specific color. I'm just going to put my colors on the canvas and then go ahead and swipe. And I'm just using white, gold, and then a few blues. This is the phthalo blue. And then I've got ultramarine blue. And then I've got one that I made, which is the phthalo blue mixed with crimson. So it's more of a dark purpley blue. That's that color. And this is the ultramarine. And all of these are mixed with Floetrol and water. So I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that the canvas gets fully covered. And then we're going to get the cups out of the way and we're going to go ahead and swipe and see what happens. All right, and this is just a 12-inch paint guide. And here we go. I'm going to go one more time in the other direction. Awesome. Let's go ahead and time lapse this and see what happens. All right, we're back. That's pretty cool for a swipe that has no silicone in it. The blue, it looks like the ultramarine really popped through in here. This will make definitely a lovely background, if anything. Let's go ahead and we'll do our close-up. So this is the lower right-hand corner, and here's all those blue cells that came up to the upper right-hand corner. Some pretty cool lacing in there as well. You can see the gold peeking through up to the upper left-hand corner and then down to the lower left-hand corner. And overall picture. So that was a pretty cool experiment. Definitely not bad results. I may try it just one more time with maybe switching up the colors, because I'm kind of curious if certain colors maybe cause more of a reaction, such as the reds or the greens and stuff. So anywho, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think, and I'll see y'all next time.